How do I access the screws to tighten the handle on my Electrolux microwave oven?
Hello from Ja, my name is Woody. I will be glad to assist you today. I have been servicing all major brands of appliances for 35 years, and have over 100,000 in-home repairs and over 80,000 internet repairs under my belt. Can I please have the full model number of the unit to better assist you?
EW3060XA. I don't see an answer here.
I need to be able to look the info up for you, and you are not the only customer that I'm assisting today.
Sorry. I got an email saying you answered my question, but I didn't see a response other than your request for the model number.
Open the microwave oven door. You have screws on the inside door panel holding the door from the front. When opened, remove the screws, items number 97, and once the front outer door panel is loose, close the remainder of the door gentil or drape a towel over the door so it does not go fully closed. Then you have access to the interior of the outer door panel item hash, and the screws are easily accessed from there. http://www.partadvantage.com/diagram/1/208/0000015/680/900. If you have any questions, just reply back to me.
I had done all of that, but there is a plastic back with no obvious screws or attachment covering everything else on the outer door assembly.
Okay, so then you have to separate the inner door frame with a putty knife to get to the screws number 93.
WTF. The plastic shell/liner was double-side taped to the door glass. After I separated them and tightened the screws, the door glass shattered. It is tempered and is still continuing to fracture. What a mess. The glass was sandwiched between handle and the inner liner.
So it sounds like you may have over-tightened the screws, or the glass was in a bind/twist. I'm showing a part number of ### and they're calling it a frame, item number 91.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.